Yeah, so good evening, students. So good evening, Shayan, Rujita, Ponnappa, Narendran, Maya, Jahnavi, Fadila, Devansh, Ananya, Amulya, Harshini. Please switch on your cameras, everybody. Is Ankita here? Ankita is not there. Please switch on your cameras, everybody. Narendran, Ponnappa, Fadila, Jahnavi, Amulya, Ananya, Harshini. Please switch on your camera, student. Okay, so student, we have finished arithmetic progression. How many sessions did we do? Two sessions we did it, student. Okay. Did we do two sessions or one session? I think only one session we did, right? Okay. So
Only
today
one, sir.
only one session, right? So today we are going to the next session, student, where we'll be discussing about the previous year questions followed by sample paper. Okay. Okay. With that, let us start our session, student. Yeah, so students, arithmetic progressions, which I said, this chapter will come from 4 to 5 marks. 4 to 5 marks you can expect from this particular chapter. Okay. Case-based question plus one MCQ, or else one MCQ plus 3 mark questions also is giving. Okay. Something like this. Okay. So what are the formulas in this chapter? We have only two formulas. First formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is also known as L. Last term also. You can just, if he's asking what is 25th term, you can directly take an is the 25th term and go ahead with the same formula. This is first formula. Okay. So we have only two formulas, student. An, Sn. Nothing more than that. Okay. So arithmetic sequence, you should have idea. Nth term, An, or also you can say last term, and sum of n term. Okay, so if you add all the terms, this is the formula. Sometimes if last term is given, you can break this formula as n by 2 into 2a, you can write as a plus n minus 1 into d. This a plus n minus 1 into d is again the last term or the nth term. Okay, so these are only two formulas in this particular chapter. I said the very important to know is find the difference between nth term and nth term. Okay, here is what most of the people do confuse. What is that you see? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Common difference is 10. Common difference is 10. Definitely it's an AP. It's an AP. So what is first term? 10. Second term? 20. Third term? 30. Fourth term? 40. Fifth term? 50. How many terms are there? 5. Okay. N equal to 5 means number of terms is 5. Nth term means fifth term, fourth term, you can specify it. What is S of n, student? S of n is nothing but 10. Should add all of them. Okay. 40 plus 80. If I am asking S of S5, S5, okay, first five terms. Student, whatever the formula you are taking AN, SN, these formulas are only derived from the first to last. Okay, so if the question is from here, don't use those formulas. You need to do slight changes. Okay, if I'm saying A of N, that means you are taking from here to here beta. So you are taking A as 10. Okay, if I'm taking S of N also, that is also from first term to the nth term. Okay, so if you are doing from the reverse order, there should be some changes which will be taking some of the questions today. Okay, with that, yeah, so let us start our session today. Okay, so I have given some formulas also, right? Sum of first n natural numbers. So student, this is not so different formula. You see, I think I forgot to connect that connectivity, right? Okay. So we have started our session with n square formula. 1, 3, 5, 7. What are these? These are odd numbers. So what did I say? Addition of all the odd numbers. So don't do this way. Directly say n square. How did this formula come from? This formula came from same this. You see, I don't know how many terms are there. N by 2. 2a. What is the first term? A is 2. 2 plus n minus 1. I don't know. What is difference? 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3, 2 is the difference. Okay, if you just do it, you will again get n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2, 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, n square, that is what I have given the formula. Sum of odd numbers is n square, student. Okay, if you have good memory power, remember this. If you don't have good memory power, remember the main formula, master formula. From here, you can frame all the formulas. Okay, okay. So with that, let us start the session's question, student. Okay, I'll slowly increase the level. Okay, so let's start with 1 mark, 5 to 6 questions. Let's do 1 mark, and then we'll go for 2 marks and 5 mark questions. And finally, we'll end with the case-based question. Okay, come on, student. There are three consecutive terms of an AP. They are side by side. Consecutive means side by side. K plus 7, 2K minus 2, 2K plus 6. Like this, the terms are there. And he said it is AP. So what is the value of K? AP means there is only one trick. What is the trick? Common difference should be same. So this minus this minus this should be same. Second term minus first term should be equal to third term minus second term. Try to do this thing, you'll get the answer. It's just a small question. That's all, student. This is what you need to do. Narendran, so did I? Okay, Narendran, Ananya, Mulya, Harshini, Tanish, Maya. Right answers up to here. Come on, students. Come on, everybody should give the answer. 2K गया 2K minus K है K minus 9 equal to 6 plus 2 8. This implies K equal to 17. B is the answer, student. B is the answer. Yes, Fadila. Okay, so it's just common difference. If you match, you'll get the answer. Okay, students. So slow. I'll be at high pitch. So my speed will be more, student, because we need to cover a lot. Okay, so only one type.
Previous page, I want to take screenshot, please.
Only one type. I will take the question, student. Okay, only one type. Yeah. So Devans, please be fast enough. Seventh term from the end. You see, the question is from the end. Now he's asking.
Please go to the previous page.
No, Devans, please wait. I'll send this. I'll send this whole document to you at least. Okay. The seventh term from the end. Okay, students. So he's asking seventh term from the end. Now you use all your methods or else the method which I have said. From 49, he's asking the seventh term. Harshini got some answer. Good. Whenever he's asking any term, my formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is what is my formula. Fadila, right answer. Aparna, right answer. But all my formulas are from the starting. He's asking from the ending. So please reverse this. That's all. Now you apply the same formula. I have just inverted this. I have just made it ulta, reversed. Okay, now I can use this formula. A is 49 plus seventh term is asking 7 minus 1 will be 6. Difference. So difference, student, you see minus 5. D equal to minus 5 minus of minus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. So the difference is minus 3. 49 minus 18, that will be obviously 31 should be your answer. Okay, very good. Yes, now I'm getting answer. Maya, right answer. Tanish, right answer. Narendra, right answer. Rujita, right answer. Jahnavi, no student. Calculation mistake. You did 49 plus 18. You see, that answer will also be there. He knows how to frame the options. If you mistakenly do this, why you did this mistake? Because you have taken that particular d from this. As I said, after inverting, this is my master question now. All the A, D should be framed from here. Understood, Jahnavi? Okay. Ponnappa, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so only one formula one type I am taking, student. I have not framed many questions. Okay, which
Sir,
term
why
of
are you not going to the first page? Try to take screenshot on the first page, please.
take it,
Yes, sir. Taking.
So, students, if you are struggling, please pause
Please
me.
go to the previous page to take a screenshot.
Take it soon.
Please go to the first page.
This is what the second question is.
Go to the first page.
Which question?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, which term of the AP is this student? So he's asking 3, comma 8, comma 13, comma 18. Sometime he will get 38. Now he's asking which term? Which term? Is it the first term? First term is 3. Is it the fourth term? Fourth term is 18. So ये कौन सा term होगा? So generally we say let it be nth term. He is asking en student. Harshini got some answer. Jahnavi, Harshini, Narendran, right answer. Fadila, right answer. Okay. So he's asking which term. So let it be nth term. You have a formula. What is A of n? Value at the nth place. What is that? 78 itself. What is A? 3 plus n minus 1, which you need to find. D, 8 minus 3 is 5. Do this, you will get the answer. Yes, Ananya, right answer. Rudita, right answer. Tanish, right answer. Maya, wrong answer. Aparna, right answer. Okay. So that will be 74, 75, right? 75 by 5 equal to n minus 1. So that will be 550, 16 student, n equal to 16. 16 is the right answer. Okay, whenever he's asking which term. So student, if you are getting, this is 16.5, yes, Narendra? If you are getting something like n equal to 16.5, what will you do?
So then it's not in the AP.
Okay, yes. So definitely 38, 78 will not be in this particular list. Okay. So it may come for 2 marks. So then you should write as we are getting a fraction, which is not possible. N value should be a positive integer only. Okay. So you should say 78 will not be in the particular AP list. Okay. Okay. Yes, student. Now you think. Now I'll give some time. Think and try to give the answer. Those all questions I have done yesterday. That's the reason I was a little bit faster. I just made you warm up. In an AP, the first term is 7 and nth term is 84. Sum of first n terms. So you see sum of first n terms beta. S of n equal to 2093 by 2. He is asking n kitna hai. So try to use the formula whatever you know on S of n. And he said clearly sum of first n terms. So you can very well use that formula. If you did not mention, if you mentioned sum of last n terms, no, you can't use that formula. It's sum of first n terms. So you can use whatever formula you are learning of S of n. And see what all data is given. Try to use the best formula. AN equal to 84 is also known as last term. AN, last term, they all are same. So I think the best formula goes with n by 2 into A plus L. Yes, I think you are right, Jahnavi. Megha, right answer. Narendran, right answer. Rujita, right answer. Fadila, right answer. Come on, student. Many students are here, so all should answer. Okay. Now it's almost the final end. Now, if you are not answering, so how can you answer in your final boards? Whether it is right or wrong, we don't have negative marking, and I was never harsh to you all. So you have full freedom to give the wrong answer. Maya, right answer. Amulya, right answer. Ponnappa, Shrugal, Shayan. Not seeing any answer. Ayana. Pyare Bachi. Give the answer. Actually, right answer. Come on. Ponnappa, Shayan, Shrugal. You can look at the options also, student. You are worried. 91, 2093. Obviously, some into 3 should come, then only 93, right? So check with 23 whether it is dividing with 23 or not. Okay, okay. Sure. Yes, Ponnappa, right answer. Okay, 91 23 times is 2093. Okay, yes, 23. Not required. Next question. Is it required? Not required, not required. Leave it. Let's remove that easy question. Sum of first n numbers in AP is given by this formula. Sum of first 15 terms is this. Oh, Harshini, very good. Fadila, very good. Rujita, very good. Narendra, very good. Ponnappa, very good. So students are only looking at the question and giving the answer. You see how much time they reduce. 2.5 minutes for one question if you take the average. So you are already benefited with 2.5 marks. So you can utilize that marks for other cases. Yes, absolutely right. Mega, Maya. Come on, students. Sum of first 10 terms of is this formula? Check. Did we learn this formula till now? Yes, right answer. So this formula is wrong. We have learned S of n equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So obviously assertion is wrong. Blindly go for option D. If you are confident, not even there is no reason to check reason also. Okay, directly give D as an answer. Yes, Tanish. Rugal, are you there, student?
Yes, sir, here only, sir.
Okay, if you are worried, so take help of your grandma. She was listening to my sessions from very first session. Okay. Let the positive numbers A, B, C be in AP. He said positive numbers A, B, C in AP, student. That means if AP, you know what is the condition. B minus A equal to C minus B. Second term minus first equal third minus 2. This is AP. Then he is again giving statement 1 by BC, 1 by AC, 1 by AB are also in AP. Are also in AP. So students who are giving the answer directly, some reason should be there. 1 mark doesn't mean that only you should look and give the answer. You should use these tricks also. You see, as soon as I have read this statement, didn't I use this trick? If you read this statement, can't you use the same trick for this? Directly giving the answers. 1 mark doesn't mean that you should directly give the answer. 1 mark means you should give the quickest answer by following all the steps. Your steps should be fast. You should not miss any step. Only one thing, if they are in AP, what should be true? 1 by AC minus 1 by BC should be equal to 1 by AB minus 1 by AC. You should check this condition. Then you should give the answer. Okay, very good, Harshini. Jahnavi also, I don't know, 1 second. No student, check Jahnavi. You are near, but still some work to do. Mega, okay. Fadila and Harshini, I think they are right. Okay, so student, if they are in AP, he said they are in AP. So this is already true. Now I need to show this is, if this is true, I will say it is also in AP. So let me go with the left hand side. If I take left hand side, what is LCM? What is LCM, student? ABC square. Let me take ABC square. So BC minus AC. So that will be equal to B minus A by ABC. If I solve left side, I got B minus A by ABC. Let me take right side now. Right side LCM is also again able to see ABC square AC minus, sorry, BC minus AC, right? Yeah. AC minus AC minus AB, which is nothing but C minus B by ABC. Okay. What is B minus A? B minus A is C minus B. So in place of C minus B, can't I write B minus A by ABC? You see, both of them are same. How did you say option D, A is false? I am able to see both left hand and right side are same. So they are in AP. Okay. They are in AP. Harshini, can we use the logic from reason? Okay, so let me see what is reason given. I did not read the question. Frugal, no. Narendran, A. Okay. So Narendran has changed the answer 3 times. Okay. So you see, student, whenever he is giving conditions, you try like this. Once here, you should check. Okay. If each term of AP is divided by ABC, then the resulting sequence is also in AP. What is each term? ABC are the terms. Now he said each term is divided by ABC. So let me divide them by ABC. Divided by ABC, divided by ABC, divided by ABC. What will I get? Let me see. A cancel, B cancel, C cancel. 1 by BC, 1 by AC, 1 by AP. What are these? These are again the first case only. So absolutely both A and R are true, and R is the correct logic explanation of A. So is my answer right? Where is your answer? Option C. My said option A is right.
Sir, I sent it before you said the answer.
Achha. But you can't be in fraction. No. This is right thing, right doubt you got Ponnappa. Maya, right answer. Rujuta, no beta. Let me see, is it A or B? Huh? Why you students are giving B even now? So I'm able to see this. So same AP I have used, and I just got the resulting sequence is AP, and that is what is used here. So I think option A is the right answer, student. Option A is the right answer. Okay, you see, some students are asking, sir, you are giving fraction. How can A be in fraction? Student, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Okay. Oh, AP, right? Oh, if you see 2, 3, 4, these numbers can be in fraction, but the term, first term, second term, third term, this n value should not be in fraction, student. So don't get confused. Arithmetic progression can be in fraction, okay, but the number n value of n can't be in fraction. You will say first term, second term, third term, but you can't say 1.5 term. Okay, so I think this is what the students have directly guessed. So it is in fraction, so AP can't be in fraction. No, these are the values of AB. You see, I proved they both are equal. Definitely they are in fraction. They are fraction, they are in AP. But if 1 point first term, second term, 3.5 term, if you are getting n value 3.5, that is wrong. Understood, Ponnappa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Option A is the right answer. Is Shayan there here? Shayan, are you here? No, not here. Okay. I'll give some time, student, do it. The sum of first n terms of an AP. Yes, as he is saying first n terms, I can represent it by S of n. And is already given S of n equal to 3n square minus 4n. Then the nth term, he has given A of n also, 6n minus 7. nth term of an AP whose sum of n terms is given by. Okay. So first of all, you see assertion. If S of n is this, can A of n be this? That is what the question assertion is. He is saying if S of n is this, A of n is this. Think student, S of n, A of n. Is there any connection? Okay, very good, Narendran. Yes, Narendran, how did you do, student?
Sir, I substituted a n value.
N value. Where is n value?
Sir, I substituted it as 1.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, so if you substitute, I am getting exactly true. And how did you get A as false? Rujuta gave some right answer, I guess. Okay, so student, just concentrate here. Okay, yes, Mega, what is S1 beta in the above arithmetic progression? If I say S1, what is S1?
So A1.
A1. Okay, student, sum of first term. What is first term? A1 itself. Okay, S1 is A1. Sum of first term मतलब एक ही term add करना है. What is S2 Mega?
Sir, A1 plus A2.
Very good. A1 plus A2. Now, if anybody asks me A1, I'll say S1 by looking this statement. If anybody asks me what is A2, what can I write according to S1, S2, Mega? If I want A2,
Sir,
what should
S1. 1 second.
Go ahead. Very good. S2 minus S1, you do better.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So obviously, student, you are getting, yeah, you just got S2 minus S1 equal to A2. So if you are adding two terms and deleting the first term, obviously you will get A2. So if A2 is asked, I'll write S2 minus S1. Okay. Similarly, yes, Harshini, can you say me what is S3? A1 plus A2 plus A3. Can you say me what will be A3 beta?
Here you have to subtract
Hmm.
S3 from S2 and
That's
S1.
all. Okay. If you subtract x3 from s2, you see s3 is nothing but a1 plus a2 plus a3, and s2 is nothing but a1 and a2. What will you get? You will absolutely get a3. So this is the final formula. So I think this formula is missed in our session. That's the reason sample papers are important. Okay. So by this, what can you frame? By this analogy, you can frame, sir, a of n is nothing but when 3 is there, 3 is coming, 2 is there, 2 is coming. If n is there, n will be coming. Minus is there, minus. When 3 is there, 2 is coming, 2 is there, 1 is coming. Yes, n minus 1. Please write this formula. A of n equal to s of n minus s of n minus 1. Okay, so I'll add this formula to your juniors. Okay, so I said there are two formulas. You can try to add the third formula also. A of n equal to s of n minus s of n minus 1. Okay, so sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms, if you subtract, you will just get it. It's not a formula actually, but many times it will help you. Okay, yeah, with that now you do, student. Now if you want to change your answers, try to change. Yeah, now you can see S of n is given, A of n is given. With this formula, can you see whether you can make it out or not? So students have given the answer. Narendran, right answer. Now Harshini, right answer. Fadila, right answer. Amulya Ananya, no. Jahnavi, right answer. Mega, right answer. Okay. So if I want A of n, 6n minus 7, if I do this, I should get the same answer. What is S of n? He already gave 3n square minus 4n. What is S of n minus 1? In place of n, you should keep n minus 1. That's all. Should do this. Okay, so that will be 3n square minus 4n minus 3n square plus 1 minus 2n minus 4n plus 4. 3n square minus 4n minus 3n square minus 3 plus 6n minus 4n plus 4. What all are getting cancelled? 3n square 3n square gaya. 4n 4n 8n 6n. So that will be minus minus 8n plus 6n. Will be minus 2n, right? Let me see, students. Something happened. 4n minus 8n. Oh, 3n square minus 3 plus 6n
There
minus
should be plus over there, right?
where, student? An minus.
No, the part where the minus is outside. I don't
Very
think.
good. Right. Absolutely. Yes, you are absolutely right. Okay. So 4n gaya. So you will get 6n. 6n. 4n gaya. You will get 6n and minus 7. Hey, Strugal, don't do this all things. Be serious, student. We are almost at the end. Yes, Narendran.
So won't it be 6n plus 1?
6n minus 3 minus 4 minus 7, right?
Okay.
6n minus 7. You see, I got the same 6n minus 7, an equal to. Okay. So please use this formula in the list, your bucket for formulas list. An equal to Sn minus 1. Okay. The nth term of an AP. Yeah. So he has given the assertion here also, right? Yeah. Definitely. That's the formula. Okay. Option A is the right answer. Ponnappa, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shrugal, understood?
Yes, sir.
Ananya Mulya, right answer. Okay. Sum of 30 terms, you can do it, student. Only one formula. First 30 terms. If there is only one formula, you can do it. Okay. This one you do, student. In an AP, if S of n is given, sum of all the terms is given. N matlab. He is asking to find the sequence. Arithmetic progression means sequence. You can use the same formula. Just now we have done it. Just now we have done it, student. A1 is S1. You will get the first term. A2 is nothing but S2 minus S1. You will get the second term. That's all I think. Only two terms are enough to form the sequence. Then if slight mistake is there, check, student. Maya, right answer. Narendran, right answer. Harshini, right answer. So my A1 is 5, my A2 is 13, and it goes on. You can write. Now you have a common difference, right? So what is the common difference? 13 minus 5. Common difference is 8. Okay. So you just add 8 and go ahead 21 and series goes on. Yes, Tanish, right answer. Ananya Amulya, very good student. Fadila, absolutely right. Rujuta, wonderful. Okay. Aparna, being a silent spectator. Are you following, student?
Yes, sir.
You see, only he's only confusing nth, n terms. Nothing more than that. Till now, I have not done nothing. No question. Yeah, one formula I think which I would have discussed. I have discussed it here. An equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Four-mark question, student. We finish 1 mark and 2 marks. We are going towards 4-mark questions. The sum of first and eighth term. Whenever he's asking first means it is A1 or A also we generally say first term. Eighth term means A8. Sum he said plus. of an AP equal to 32, and their product A into A8 equal to 60. This is what is given. Find the first term. You need to find A. Common difference, you should find D. Sum of its first term, you should find S20. Do it, student, do it. Slightly use your minds. Avdan, try to give this answer, Avdan.
Yes, sir.
Ananya Amulya is giving, Aparna is watching, Avdan will give only one answer in a session. Ayana not at all responding. Devan stopped giving the answers from last 1 week. Fadila is giving, Harshini is giving, Jahnavi is trying a lot. Maya is doing her best. Megha is giving the answers. Narendran is absolutely giving the answer. Purnappa understanding the things, but still needs some confidence. Rujita is working a lot. Shrugal is still in dilemma whether to do it in this way or that way. Tanish is doing with mistakes. You see, this is what I have observed last 10 days. Try to use the formulas whatever you have learned. Oh, very good. Ananya Amulya got the final answer. Very good student. Let me match with others also. Two equations, two unknowns. Okay, so let me see.
Sir, I'm getting two solutions.
Go ahead, student. This is 4 marks. Go for each case. Case 1, take that. Case 2, take another one. It's a 4-mark question. And yes, obviously you'll get 2 solutions because it's a quadratic equation. Try to give the answer before me. Maya, absolutely right. Ananya Amulya, no, 1 second. What is the 30, Maya?
We'll get two solutions.
Acha, 2 solutions. Yeah. Absolutely, right answer. Yes, Fadila, right answer. So then Amulya and Ananya, why did you get only 1 student? So you see, it's a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation will also always have 2 solutions. Yes, Tanish, till there it is right. Harshini, till there it is right.
Which solution to take?
Case 1, you take one case. Case 2, you take another case. Finally, you see whether if you are getting all the things positive, then you can say both the answers are right. Sometimes if you get something like let me see. You go ahead. You take case and case and you go ahead, student. So A equal to 2. or 30. So I'm getting 2a student. That means 2 arithmetic progression is possible. So let me go with a equal to 2. So if a equal to 2, I'm getting d equal to 4. Okay, then sum of first 20 terms kitna hoga? Sum of first 20 terms equal to n by 2 plus 2a plus n minus.
Sir, I changed my answer, sir.
Okay. Oh, finally. Melodious words from Ananya. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d4. Minus 36, 4, 1, 76. Yes, students. So I got one pair. I'm writing here a equal to 2, d equal to 4, and S20 equal to 800. I got as one pair, student. Okay, I should go for another case. I don't have option. It's case. It's 4-mark question. So Harshini, yes, you're right for one case, I guess. Okay, very good. Oh. Yes, absolutely right, Ananya Amulya. Aparna, very good student. Okay, let me go with another case. Rujita, are you getting student?
Sir, after a plus 60 by a is equal to 32.
A plus 60, where is A plus 60? I am getting A plus 70 always.
No, sir, not there. Like the first one. A plus 60a, not there, not there. Yeah, there.
There.
After a plus 60 by a is equal to 32. After that, are you like LCM or?
Obvious LCM. 1 and A, LCM is A. But A will go here afterwards. So 32A. 32 will come here. That minus 32.
Okay, I think I like messed up there.
Okay. A equal to 30. So A plus 70 equal to 60 by A. 30 plus 70 equal to 2. 70 equal to minus 28. D equal to minus 4. Okay. So when A equal to 30 and between D equal to minus 4, what will be S of 20? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 60. 4 9s are 36. 4 1s are 4. 76. Minus 60. Minus 160. Absolutely right. So when a equal to 30, my d equal to minus 4, I am getting s of 20 equal to minus 1. Okay, students. So absolutely, we will get two cases. You need to solve both the cases because both the cases are valid. Your common difference can be negative. Your sum can be negative. Your first term can be negative. Everything can be negative. So both the cases are valid. Yes, Janavi. Go ahead, student.
Sir, I got the equation a square minus 32a plus 420.
420. A square
Yeah,
minus 30.
but I got the right answer. I got a is equal to 30 and a is equal to 2. No, I got a is equal to minus 2, but I got 30 somehow.
You see, what is you get a square minus 32a plus 420. How will you get 420? You did this step, student? A plus 70
Yes,
equal
sir.
32. After that, what did you do?
I want it to be 2a plus 70 is equal to 32.
Yes, right. You can do that. But you see, when I just observe the right side, I got a into a plus 70. So in a plus 70, if I transfer this a on the other side, a plus 70 60 by a. I just transferred 60 by a in place of a plus 70. It's one way of doing. Even if you do in the way you are saying, you will also get the same answer. Okay.
Here.
Yes,
Yes.
sir, I got the same answer.
So what if we subtract both the equations? Like
70 and 70 is getting cancelled, and A and A is also getting cancelled, right, sir?
So you are subtracting this equation.
Yes, sir.
No, I don't think you'll get cancelled the things. Okay, you see, student, you are doing it in the way which you are doing. Okay, right now I got the idea. I have done it. So let me see. So some students have done like this: 2a plus 7d equal to 32. Here, a square plus 7ad equal to 60. How you will get Purnappa? You see, it's a quadratic equation, it's a linear equation. So from here, you need to supply in place of 7d, you need to keep 32 minus 2a. In place of 7d, 2a will go there. So now a square plus a, I'll keep like that only. 7 into d, I'll keep 32 minus 2a equal to minus 60. So a square minus 2a square plus 32a equal to minus 60. So minus a square plus 32a plus 60 equal to 0. A square minus 32a minus 60 equal to 0. Here also 30 and 2 is what your factors are. 32
Sir,
or 60.
I took D is equal to 32 by 2A by 7.
Achha, you solved for D. I am solving for A. Narendran, yes?
Sir, it's plus 60.
Plus 60 only. Achha, plus 60. Okay. So yeah, yes, obviously it should be plus 60, right? Okay. So here also student A equal to 30 and 2, I am getting the answer. So there is no way that you will get two other terms. Okay. So try to solve it. Okay. So you see I have done two ways. I am getting the answers here. Fadila, did you get the answer, student?
Yes, sir, I did send the answer.
Okay. Okay. I did that, sir. Acha, you did. Okay. So that's up to you, student. So right now, I just got some idea like this. I used it. Okay. So generally, even in the exam, I would have done like this only. If at all, I would not get the idea because this is how we are doing from the quadratic equations and linear equations. This is how we are doing, transferring one thing. Okay. Okay. Let me see any other question. Okay. This one. Do this question, student. So, student, in the previous question, if you understood the logic, wonderful. And the logic is very less there. Only the solving. You see, even though that question is from AP, but most of the thing is from quadratic equation and linear equation only. Okay, quadratic equation, not linear equation also. Quadratic equation only. Solving and substituting things. In an AP of 40 terms, the sum of first 9 terms. So student in an AP, that fellow has some 40 terms. What does that mean, students? So total n equal to 40. Try to understand the questions like this. In AP 40 terms, the sum of first 9 terms. So first term, second term, third term, 9 terms. So this sum is a sum of first 9 terms S9 he has given as 153. And sum of last 6 terms. So student, he is using the reverse thing. Last 6 terms he is saying. So I can't just keep S6. That will be wrong. S6 means first 6 terms. Sum of last 6 terms he is saying. Okay. Last 6. 687. Determine the first term. What all he is asking? He is asking A. He is asking D. He is asking sum of all terms. Only 40 terms. S40 is asking. S9 equal to 153. So we can use your general formula. Sir, S9 equal to 153. So n by 2 into 2a plus. So n by 2. Okay. So S9. So I can just use 9 by 2 into 2a. I don't know what is the first term. I'm assuming still a. 2a plus 8d equal to 153. You see, you already got one equation, student. So if you are able to solve, if you are able to get another equation, you can solve it. S9 means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So normal basic formula I have applied. So this will be a plus 4d equal to 153 by 9. 1s are 9. So 9, 17 only, right? And 7 to 63, yes. Okay, one equation I got, student. Yes, Ananya, how will I get another equation, student? I want A and D. A and D are lying here. I want one more equation. How will I get? Yes, Ananya. Any trick?
Sir, sir, I got 2a plus 2d is equal to 34.
So divide by 2. All 2 is common, right?
Oh,
Yes, Aparna. Any idea, student? One equation I already got with this. But he has given something like this. Can you frame any other equation with using this data? Yes, Google. Go ahead, student.
Sir, should you like put like 40 minus 34? Yes, or 40? Yeah.
Very good, very good. Absolutely right. So what Shrugal is saying, sir, we don't have formula for last 6. We have formula for first 6. But can you take this sum of last 6 is nothing but from the 34th number, from the 34th to 40. You see? 34 to 40 is nothing but the last 6, student. Last 6. 34 to 40. So that means he said last 6 is 387. S40 minus S34 equal to 687. Okay. Again, I am explaining. If I add all of them, S40 minus, if I add up to here, S34. If I subtract, what will I get? I am adding all of them. I am subtracting up to 34. I'll get only this piece, which he said it is 687. Okay. You see, obviously we need to find one more equation by hook or crook. So this is what the other equation will give you. Okay, if I'm adding S40 means I'm adding all of them. First 40 I'm adding, which I can use the same formula. First 40 means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If I'm subtracting up to 34, first 34, I can use the same formula. And this is what another thing will be done. Yeah, somebody lifted their hand. Who is that? Aparna? I don't know, sir. Okay, no problem. My God, Ananya, Amulya gave the answers also. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what if we just use the sum of last term formula and what if we reverse the AP?
Reverse the AP. So what is the problem? If
sir,
you
I
reverse,
tried that, but
if
I
you
don't have the last term.
you see, do you have first term, Ponnappa? If you reverse AP, you should have some term, right? You neither have last term, you neither have first term. How will it help you?
Okay.
Sir,
So we can only
Ah.
reverse when there's first and last term.
Not first term.
Fixed
You
term.
should have at least first term.
Okay, sir.
Yes, student.
sir, the last 6 terms are from 35, right?
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yes, you're absolutely up in an AP of 40 terms. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yes, she's absolutely right. So that will be 35, I guess. So this is always a confusion point. S40 minus no, student, if you subtract 40 minus 35, no, it will be 34. You subtract,
Sir,
you see,
yes, sir, but when we are subtracting, we don't consider 1, right? Like when we are counting, we usually say after 35, but we are considering 35th also.
but he said last 6 terms. I want 6 terms. If I subtract that, 35th term, 36th term, 37th term, 38th term, 39th term, 40 term. You see, 6 terms I'll get if I subtract 34. Last 6 terms. Understood, Harshini?
Yes, sir, so like the last 6 terms are from 35.
If you say me what are the last 6 terms, then I would say 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. But to get the 6 terms, I should subtract, I need some 35, right? So where will I subtract? I will only subtract up to 34. Understood? If I want 6 terms, I want up from 35. When will I get from
What have you
35 to subtract
written,
34?
sir? Whole divided by what?
Where whole divided by? I'm not seeing
6?
anything. Last 6, huh?
No, to the 39, 40 whole divided by 6.
No,
What?
no, 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 no. It's 35, 36, 35. Last 6 means 35, 36 term, 37 term, 38 term, 39 term, 40 term. To get these terms, I need to subtract up to S30. Come on, students. Now it's in your hand. You need to do. Yes, Harshini got some answer. Let me just check with Amulya and Ananya. Just write a half answer, right, Harshini? Narendran. No, Narendran. Fadila and Ananya Amulya answers are absolutely matching. Rujuta, did you understand, student? Harshini, right answer.
Yes, sir, I got it. I'm done.
Got it. Mega, are you following, student?
Yes, sir, I'm following. I have a headache, so my thinking abilities are all gone.
Okay. So preserve your energy for your final board, student.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so student, obviously S40 minus S30, you will get one equation. S40 is nothing but 20 into 2a plus 39d minus S34 is nothing but 17 into 2a plus 33d equal to 687. So I'm not solving it. You'll get some a and d. You got equation number 1, you'll get equation number 2, and you can solve it. Yeah, yes, Arshini?
Sir, for S last 6, can we use 6 by 2 into 2L minus 6 minus 1 into D, and L is equal to A plus 39D, like that?
Yes, you can use it. You can use it. Okay? Okay. So I'm just giving the type of problems what you can expect. Type of problem. You see, even though you are feeling, sir, this time you said case-based question comes. Case-based questions are this only, student. Case-based question, if you ask me the same question, he will give some, there are some 40 students, some of the first 9 students, weight is this much, the last 6 students weight is this much. Can you find the sum of all the students weight? Case-based questions are nothing. You need to just relate it with like this. Okay, that's the reason I'm taking different types of question. Now, case-based question, I can't assume what he will give. If I say this patterns, at least you can relate it. Okay. Case-based question don't have 4 marks. That's he can manage it, student. 4 mark, 5 mark, he can manage it. Okay, if at all the previous question gives, if he gives for 3 marks, will I stop me doing it? I'll do entire procedure again. If he gives for 5 marks, still I'll do. Okay, so now the pattern has changed. That doesn't mean he will not, he will make many changes. Obviously, some questions he will just reduce the size, or if he was asking for five bits, he will increase one more question in that, like that. The ratio of 11th term, again A11 to A17 ratio is at equal to 3 by 4. Find the ratio of 5th term to 21st term. Itna. Also find the ratio of sum of 5 terms to that of sum of first. You should look at this number. First 5 means I can use S5. First 21 is this one. Okay, so student, let's not do it. It's all again the calculation. Okay, it's all again the calculation. You see A plus N minus A plus 10D, A plus 16D. 3 by 4. What will you do? You will cross multiply and bring one equation. Okay. Find the ratio of, also find the ratio. You do want to do it, student? Do it. Do it. Achha, so Narendra got the answer. Very good. So he's asking A5, right? A5 will be A plus 4D divided by A plus 20D is asking. Okay, so from this, you can just say 4A plus 40D equal to 3A plus 16, 3 is the 18, 48D. So this implies A equal to 8D, that's all. 8D in place of A, you keep 8D, you keep it, that's all. 8D plus 4D by 8D plus 20D. 8 plus 4D, 12D, 28D. Okay, DD gets cancelled. 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 20. 3 by 7 is your answer. 3 by 7 is your answer. Yes, Tanish, right answer. Okay, this sum also you can do, student. Okay, there is no, many things will get cancelled. It's very easy. Okay, anybody struggling, still struggling, let me know. Let me know. I just want to start case based question. Yes.
Go to the previous page, center test screen. Yes, sir, taking now.
But the 4 by 35 students are getting this answer.
Sir.
I think this one is again from your NCRT only. You see, students, this is you need to just read the statement and try to convert into sequence. After that, the things are easy. Okay. I think this question is from your NCRT. 240 locks are stacked in the following manner. 22 locks in the first bottom. So here it's in the 22. 21 in the second row. 21, and the row goes on. Okay. You can simply write 22, 21, 20 goes on. Okay. In how many rows are the 240 locks placed? Okay. Now what is 240? Yes, Jahnavi. What is 250, student? If this is a particular arithmetic progression, what does 250 mean? Is it A of n? Is it n? Is it S of n? What is that? Very good, Harshini. Right answer. Student, give me what is 250. Is it A of n? Is it n? Is it d? Is it a? Is it S of n?
Sir, AN.
No, read the question. Tanish wrong, Jahnavi wrong, Ponnappa wrong, Maya right, remaining all are right. Whoever has
So
given
we
the
can
answer.
take it as AN, right?
What is AN, student? Ponnappa right. AN is nothing but the
The last one.
last one. Did you see 240 logs? Total there are 250 beta. So why are you taking last case? We are arranging you if you are taking this as 250 means in the last row you are arranging 250 logs. Is that one? Is that the case?
Oh, they asked number of rows. I
Ah.
didn't.
Okay, so so this 240 is nothing but S of n. S of n equal to 250 given. That is what you need to do for case-based question. You need to write the sequence and understand what is the data corresponding to. Okay, so 22 locks in bottom row, 21 in the next row, and it goes on means I'm just putting dot dot dot. In how many rows are the 250 locks placed and how many locks are placed? Okay, now he's asking, yes, Ponnappa, in how many rows are the 250 locks placed? What is he asking? This black color underline.
So we have to put AN as 250.
Again, ANS 250.
How many rows have 250 logs placed?
You see, 21, 22, next to 20, next to 19, and the series goes on. What is that? How many rows? How many rows are there in 250 logs placed? In how many rows 250 logs are placed? What does that mean, student?
Sorry, A of 250.
He's asking, you see same data 22, 21, 20, like that. I'm keep on going. So it is first row, second row, third row. So how many rows means how many rows? He's just asking n beta. In how many rows means how many like these numbers are there. In first row 22, second row 21, third row 20. So he's asking in how many rows these all numbers will be added. You can't say, sir, you'll go with one. So there are n equal to 22. No, if you just do like this, you have total 250. In some of the case, this 250, the number of locks will be ending. Okay, n value got two things. Okay, so n value or yes, Jahnavi, right answer. Okay, so student, you should just relate it with what we have done up to now. Okay, Yeah, Harshini, I got the answer. So you are getting two answers, Harshini.
Yes, sir, quadratic equation.
But I think you
But I'm
will
also
get.
getting a quadratic equation.
Okay. Go ahead. Do it. Yes, Narendra.
So you will get two answers, but only one is right.
Only one will be right, huh?
Yes, sir. If we do a of n of 1, you will get negative.
Okay. So please go for the last part also. Okay. So student again, students who are doing, do it. Okay. For students who did not understand, you see, I'm explaining slowly. 240 logs are stacked in the following manner. You see, in the first row 22, second row 21. Like that, the logs are going on, student. The logs is just keeping on, just segregating and going on. So total are 250. That means first of all, you write, sir, S of n equal to 250. Sum, he said, 250 logs are stacked. Now 22 logs, first number 22, 21, 20, and goes on. So when you look at this sequence, it's an AP because common difference is 1. Okay. Now the question, in how many rows are the 250 logs here? You see, first row 22, second row 21, third row 20. In how many rows means n rows? So I'm asking, he's asking n. So he has given data S of n. Can't we use the formula n by 2 into 2a? A is 22, 2 into 22 plus n minus 1 into d, difference is 1. That's all. One equation, one unknown. You can solve it. Okay. So that will be 44n plus n square minus n equal to 500, I guess. This 2 will be going here, right? 44n plus n square minus n. Okay, it's a quadratic equation again. N square plus 43n minus 500 equal to 0. Okay, 20 and 23 are the roots. 25 and what are the roots, student?
Sir, it's 45n.
1 second. So did I do mistake? N by 2 to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yeah, you see, d is minus 1. I am absolutely sorry. 21 minus 22 minus. So that will be plus n minus. So 1 second, student. Let me not skip the step. So do the last one also, student. Do the last one. N by 2. N by 2, 2 into 2, 22, 44 minus n plus 1 equal to 50. Okay. So that will be n by 2, 44 plus 1, 45 minus n equal to 250. Space is less here. 250. So 45n minus n square equal to 500, or n square minus 45n plus 500 equal to 0. Yeah, absolutely right. N equal to 25 or 20. You will get two answers. But you see how many logs are kept there in the top row. Shrugal, how many logs are kept in the top row? What is this? Is it n, an, n, d? What is that?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
A is the first. A is already known. Why he will ask again?
No, like that is yes, n. I'm saying.
A-N, acha, okay. Okay, A-N, right answer. Okay, so student, he's asking the last, what is the last number? A-N. A mistake as you, okay. Yes, Ponnappa.
So can you just again just tell me how n only like how is it n, sir? Like the number of logs.
Number of logs, this is number of terms as number of logs here, that's all. He's asking number of logs, and each row you are taking one term. 22 is first row, you are taking first term. 21 is second row, you are taking second term. Now he's asking number of rows, that means number of terms, n.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so your answers will be, so let me see your answer, students. So finally you will get n equal 25 or 20 is right answer. But when you go for the A of n, you are getting A of n equal to minus 2, which is not possible. That means in the last row, will you get minus 2 logs? So which is not possible. So then you should end with this is the final answer. Okay, so the right combination is n equal to 20 and a n equal to 3. Yes, Mega, right answer. Okay, let's quickly do some more cases. So I think this question is from your NCERT only. Huh? 3 logs. Yeah, 3 logs is
But I
the right
think the
answer.
values are different in NCR.
Acha, values are different. Oh. So
So
my
when do we end the class?
7:40, 7:30 or 40 student. I don't know. So let me take 2 or 3 more cases, case-based questions, and then I'll end. Okay, I'll send this sheet. Acha, we have not done that CBSE also, right? CBSE question paper. CBSE question paper is very easy. This chapter, very easy questions. Okay, one more question, student. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going for heredity. Okay, heredity tomorrow. So students who are comfortable, you can just take a break and concentrate more on other subjects. Students who want heredity should definitely join. Okay, in mathematics, relations can be expressed in various ways. Till 8, yeah, I said right. So let me see if at all students are, you see already 3 students got exited student. So I am there here, I am there for entire day. Students are not spending time because they are somewhat hurrying with other things. In mathematics, relations can be expressed in various ways. The matchstick patterns are based on linear relations. Different strategies can be used to calculate number of matchsticks using different figures. You see here is what the matchsticks he has aligned them. One such pattern is shown below. Observe the pattern and answer the following question using arithmetic progression. Okay. Okay. Write the AP for the number of triangles used in the figure. In the figures, also write the nth term of an AP. So he is clearly expressing the same terminology. Okay, so he's asking to write the number of triangles. Okay. Yes, right answer. Okay, right answer. Yes, Maya. How many triangles are there here?
4, 6,
8. Right answer. Should obviously 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4, 6, 8. So he's asking the write the AP arithmetic progression that you should write 4, 6, 8 and cross check whether they are in AP or not. Common difference is 2. Common difference is 2. Yes. Write the AP. So we have written this is a sequence. Also write the nth term. So student he is asking nth term which we generally say A of n. Can't you find A of n? We have a direct formula. A of n equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes, Narendran, right answer. Rujuta, Narendran, right answer. Rujuta. Oh my god. Let me see, some answers are different. Harshini, right answer. What is n then? So student, you should not get confused. Try to end your answer with n only. Jahnavi, yes. Yes, you see it's an infinite series. How can I find which is n? Okay.
Okay.
Yesterday I have given one question like that. Okay. A of n, what is A student? A is 4. What is n? I don't know. What is D? D is 2. So some student have done the same mistake. 2n minus 2. So 2n plus 2 is the 2 into n plus 1 is the answer student. So many students got 2n minus 1. Why?
Sir, I got 2 plus 2n, so I took 2 as common.
Even I got 2 plus 2n. 2 into n plus 1 only I got. Narendra, let me see Narendra answer.
I did 1 minus n. It's 1.
I typed it wrong, sir.
That's why you typed it wrong. Okay. Yes, Ananya Mulya, right answer up to there. Mega, right answer. Punappa, understood up to here?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay. Okay. Next question. Which figure has 61 matchsticks? Oh, Harshini is saying no figure. Yes, Fadila. How will you do, student? Which figure has 61 matchsticks?
Sir, AN is equal to 61.
Very good. Okay. So what we generally assume? So it is a sequence. We will assume something like sequence we'll assume something like an is 61. So we'll assume the nth term has the value 61, which is an. So an equal to 61. Okay. Why students are not getting the answer? So let me see. Some students are giving answer, but I don't see that answer is right. Maya, not possible. Rujita, none of the figures have 61. Acha, so you are getting n value fraction, student. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me see.
Sir, I got it as 8.
8 you got. Acha. Okay. Let me see, student. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So 4, 4, 8 student. 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Fadila, this is what you took the sequence?
What, sir?
Sequence. What is the sequence for the matchstick, student?
Sir, it's 12, 19, 26.
19. Achha, that is what I'm asking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, yes. So you see, I took it as 8, but one thing is common, right? Yes. Okay, 12, 19. Okay, so that's all. Only two things are more than enough. Okay, so definitely he's asking means definitely, or else you can just check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Let me see. 19 minus 12 is 7. 19 plus 7 is 20. Absolutely right. Now he's asking a of n. So a plus n minus 1 into d is 761. N minus 1 into 7 equal to 61 minus 12, 51. 61 minus 12, student, 51, 49. N minus 1 equal to 49 by 7 is 7. Yes, absolutely right answer, Fadila. N equal to 8. So why student gave the does not possible?
Sir, wrong AP. Like if you take the 4, 6, 8.
Acha, so you have taken here only. No, student, that question is here. He asked triangles. He is asking matchsticks. So they both are different APs. Yes,
Yes, sir,
Narendra.
even I made the same mistake.
Oh.
Sir, I forgot to count the middle mistake, like the common.
Okay, so this one even I did mistake, but I corrected with Fadila. You definitely, if you go for the third one, your things will not match. Yes, right answer, Harshini. Rujuta, right answer. Narendran, right answer. Okay, you see, 570. Google, which question is that 570, beta? Konappa, understood, beta?
Yes, sir. So in the calculation for the left part, n will be like you have to still find n, right, sir?
Pardon,
Yes.
pardon.
So when we use the first question,
First
we'll
question.
see. So n value will be
N value we can't find, right? You see, infinite. If at all he is giving some target, I can find N value. So you should end your answer with here only.
okay.
Okay, for write the nth term of an AP, an equal 2 into n plus 1. That's all.
Okay, sir.
61, sir. Thank you, Sugar. Okay, so this is another question. I think this you can do it, student. Okay, this is easy again. A contract, again NCERT question. I'll just write it and show it. A contract on construction job special penalty of delay completion beyond a certain date. You see, there is one contractor. So he has done some work and some penalty is there if you don't. If you don't pay it on the right day, what is the contractor? 200 on the first day. If you don't pay to the contractor 200, 250, next day 300, and it goes on. So every succeeding day it's 50. How much money the contractor has to pay as a penalty if he has delayed it for 30 days? Yes, Jahnavi, what is he asking, student? How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he delayed it for 30 days? What is this 30? I am writing this as sequence. What is this 30? Pardon? I mean to say, is it A, D, AN, SN, N? What is this 30? Yes, Maya, right answer. Others, please give the answer, student. What is this 30? Yes, Fadila, right answer. Harshini, right answer. Ah, no, Harshini. No, Harshini. Ah, yes, go ahead.
SN?
The SN you need to find better how much money contractor has to pay as a penalty if he delayed. You see, first day if he is working,
Sir, right, what did you ask?
I asked what is this 30 days?
Oh, 30 is N.
Very good. That's all, student. Okay,
We
that's all.
need to find SN, right?
Ah, yes, you need to find SN. Okay. Okay, so student, you see there is a government job. Now contractor has taken the job. Now the government has decided you need to submit in some days. If you delay it for first day, you should pay 200 back. Second day, 250 back. Like that, after each day, he should pay 50 rupees extra. Okay. Finally, that contractor has delayed it for 30 days. That means first day he should pay 200, second day 250. So so like that 30 days he has delayed. So in our terminology, that 30 is nothing but n, number of terms. So in his terminology, it is number of days, but in our terminology, it is number of terms. Okay. Now how much he has to pay? First day 200, second day 250. What is this formula, student? If I'm adding all of them, what is this formula? S. So he's asking S30. That's all. Okay, Shrugal, did you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Fadila, right answer. Student, now S30, you have the formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just substitution of the formula. Minus 50 or 50? 50. If you do this, you will get the answer. How much is the answer? Let me see. 27,750 is the final answer. Fadila, right answer. Rujuta, gaya beta.
Writing now, sir.
Maya, right answer. Okay, 27,750 student. Yes. Okay, so calculation
Can
part,
you take
pardon me.
screenshot,
Yeah,
sir?
take it soon. Take it soon. Okay, so student case-based questions are nothing but you should write sequence. You should see what is he asking. In your mind, these many terms are there. You should have clarification. Easy asking n, easy asking s of n, easy asking a of n. Okay, if the question yeah, Ponnappa, in the same question, if I say how much amount he has to pay on the 30th day, what is what you need to find?
Sir, A of 30.
Very good. That's all. Okay. If I'm asking what is the amount he has to pay on 30th day, it's A of n. Very good, Harsh. Okay. Yeah, student, there are some most repeated questions also. Okay. Look at this question, student. So the terms will be confusing, but please see, you need to apply the same funda. If the pth term of AP is Q and qth term is P, then show that P plus qth term is 0. If you read like this, you'll get confused. But try to break it. Whenever big problem comes in life, try to break it to small. If the pth term of an AP, so A of P, like nth term of an AP is A of n, right? Pth term of an AP of I is Q. And qth term is qth term of the same AP, AQ equal to P. Okay, this is what he has given. Now he is asking, show that P plus qth term is 0. P plus qth term. Yes, Harshini, can you say me A P plus qth term student formula?
So for that, it will be A plus P plus Q 4 minus 1 into D.
That's all, student. You see, A n means A plus n minus 1 into D. In place of n, we have P plus Q, nothing more than that. A of n equal to 0, I need to prove, but he is asking P plus Q term. A of P plus Q equal to 0. That means I want this to be 0. How can I prove this to be 0? I want A and D. Where will I get A and D from? This equation. This equation. Yes, Rujita, right answer. Previous question. Jahnavi, I did not understand. Okay. You see, if the pth term of an AP, we generally have an idea, nth term means A of n. He is asking pth term, you take A of P. Nth term means you are taking A of n. Pth term means you have to take A of P. is q means equal to q, and qth term means nth term means a of n, qth term means a of q, is p means equal to p. Okay, these two are given. He is asking p plus qth term. If nth term is a of n, p plus qth term will be a of p plus q equal to 0. I need to prove. A of n formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n, we have p plus q. So a I kept same, plus I kept same. In place of n, we have p plus q. In place of n, I kept p plus q minus 1 is equal to 0. Now I need to show this value equal to 0 beta. So to show this value, I want A and D. Where will you find A and D? Try to find it from here. Okay. So now what is A of P? Ponnappa, what is A of P? Please give the formula.
Sir, AP is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D.
Very good. Equal to Q. Equation number 1. AQ means A plus Q minus 1 into D equal to P. Second equation. Okay. Two equations you got. You need to solve it. Okay. You need to solve it. How will you solve? We generally either add or subtract. Okay. We generally either add or definitely you will not get so easy relation. You see, you add once, you subtract once and see which is the best way. Because if numbers are there, I can predict, sir, if I minus, so you see this and this can get again. And obviously you need to minus, right? Yeah. So there is no reason to guess also. Okay. You need to minus so that A and A will get cancelled. Okay. So this is equation number 1. Equation number 2. If I subtract 1 minus 2, what will happen, student? 1 is A plus PD minus D minus 2. A plus DQ minus Q. But right side also I need to subtract Q minus P. Okay, so these terms will be confusing. Don't go with that. Just blindly do the arithmetic. So this will be A plus PD minus D minus A minus DQ plus Q equal to Q minus P. Is there anything to get cancelled? Let me see. Yes, A and A is getting cancelled. One second. So PD minus D, QD minus DD minus D. So plus D. This gets cancelled. What am I getting? I'm getting PD minus DQ equal to Q minus P. Can I find D? Yes. If I take D common, P minus Q equal to Q minus P. What is D? D equal to Q minus P by P minus Q, which is minus 1. Okay. So I got D equal to minus 1, student. Anybody, any doubt? So student, this is arithmetic. If you do, you'll get. If you just observe, you'll not get. I just got D equal to minus 1. Then what will be A? What will be A, student? Substitute D value in equation number 1. A plus P minus 1, D is minus 1 equal to Q. A equal to Q plus P minus 1. Okay, so I got A value, I got D value. I'll substitute here on the left hand side. A value Q plus P minus 1. Right here already P plus Q minus 1 is there. D value is minus 1. You see, they both are same, just negative equal to 0. Equal to 0. Okay, again I'm explaining. If Jahanavi, did you understand the question at least now?
Yes, sir. I was just confused why you took A as P plus Q.
Pardon?
Nothing, sir. It's clear.
Nothing. Okay. So student, if you look, you will not get. Believe me, you try this question, you will get it. Okay. You try this question, you will get it. So
So
do I
what is
have
the answer?
answer is prove beta to make it 0. Okay. Fadila understood beta this question?
Doing now. Sir, go to the sir, go to the screen now.
Yeah, I'm already on the screen. Fadila understood this one?
Remove the
Yes, sir.
give the small screen, sir.
Achha, I
Small.
need to small.
Yes, sir. Completing now.
Okay. So these are most repeated questions. Only to confuse you arithmetically. Logically, there is nothing here. Okay. So students, you see, even I got some cancellation mistake, but as I have seen something good to get cancelled, again got clarified. Ponnappa, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so this one not required. We have done it. 2-digit number divisible by 6. We have done it. Okay. Yes, this one you take. Please find the answer. How many numbers are there between 101 to 9 which are divisible by both 2 and 5? Yes, Aparna, how will you do this question? 2 and 5. Go ahead.
So if a number is no, so nothing.
Okay. Yes, Aparna, how will you do, beta? You see, this one is what we have already learned. By 6 means the 2-digit number. You try with 10. 10 is not divisible by 6. You try with 11. 11 is not divisible by 6. You try with 12. 12 is divisible by 6. So the series we have written. After writing series, he is asking how many digits means. He is asking n beta. That's all. So here, how will you do it? Go ahead. No, Jahnavi, that's not right way of thinking. Even though you'll get the right answer, that's not right way of thinking. Yeah. So Aparna, go ahead, student.
Sir, so like we need to find their LCM of 2 and 5.
Very good.
Then
Okay.
we'll get 10.
Very good. So what is the first number?
The
Between one.
first number which is greater than 101, which will be divided by 10 is 110.
Very good. 110, 120, and 990. That's all. If you get this series, that is easy.
But I said the same thing.
No, that's not the right way, student. End with 0. You should say, sir, LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. That's the
But
reason.
I already took the LCM
You
and I
took
said
it. Okay.
10.
Okay. But better is you need to write like this. You should not say end with 0. Okay. You should take, sir, the number which is divisible by 2 and 5 means the number should be divisible by 10. Yes, Ponnappa.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Okay. So you see, Ponnappa, if I say give me a number that is divisible by 2 also, 3 also. So you will start with 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. Next you'll go for 2. 2 is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. You'll go with 3. 3 is divisible by 3 but not with 2. You'll go with 4. 4 is divisible by 2 but not with 3. You'll go with 5. 5 is neither divisible by 2 and 3. You'll go with 6. Now you will see, yes, sir, it is divisible by 2 also, it is divisible by 3 also. How did you get this 6, student? If you take LCM 2 and 3, you will get 6. So, if at all I am asking anytime the number divisible by 2 and 3 means you should go for LCM. Then you see, sir, LCM is 6. So, if at all number is divisible by 6, that will definitely be divisible by 2 and 3. You see, if you go with 7, not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3. 8, divisible by 2, but not divisible by 3. 9, divisible by not by 3, but not by 2. 10, divisible by 2, but not divisible by 3. 11, again not divisible by both of them. 12 is again divisible by 2 and 3. Again, you see it is divisible by 6 also. So whenever I am asking with two numbers, you should go for LCM and then check, sir, the number which is divisible by 6, that will be divisible by 2 and 3. So here also take LCM of 2 and 5. LCM is 10. Then you say the number which is divisible by 10 will definitely divisible by 2 and 5. You see between 101 to 999, the first number that is divisible by 10 is 110. You cross check, is it divisible by 2? Ponnappa?
Yes, sir.
Is it divisible by 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what. Okay. Understood, Ponnappa?
Yes, sir, I understood. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so student is asking n. N you can find out. So many students has given the answer. 89 is the right answer. Jahnavi, Fadila, Harshini. 89, Narendran. Mistakes. Tanish, are you there? Tanish, not even you're not giving the answer. Tanish is not there here. Not required. You can do is. That's all, student. So we have ended with how many chapters? Probability area. So you see, student. Okay, so now you see in the red zone we have pair of linear equations and quadratic. So red zone means I'll use the red color. In the red zone we have this chapter, surface areas and volumes and statistics. Okay, we have these 4 topics, student. Okay, so I'm starting with surface area and volumes. Yeah, definitely I'll take another 20 minutes on the same topic where I'll state a CBSE questions and 2 more case-based questions also I'll take. Case-based questions I'll take. Okay. So after 20 minutes of the next session, the maybe Wednesday, I'll start surface areas. So only 2 days I'll complete this surface areas and volumes. 2 days only. Then I'll go to quadratic equation. I'll try to end my sessions on Saturday or probably Sunday morning session. Okay. So that you will have some 2 days time, Sunday and Monday, to revise the thing. Individual doubts are always welcome. I'm already making doubt sessions for individuals. Okay. You post me. If at all I have video available, I'll send that video. If at all I don't have video, I'll make that video for you. Okay. Yeah, Harshini, all doubts cleared, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ponnappa, cleared?
Yes, sir.
Shrugal, cleared?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rujita, cleared?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. Okay, students. In that way, we'll try to end this. So I want to complete it today only, but you see many students are missing. Shall we go ahead, student? So please give me thumbs up whether you are ready to go for another 20 minutes so that I'll complete this chapter once for all. Okay. Okay. Come on, students. Please give your thumbs or else at least yes or no. Okay, very good. Okay, then, student, let us carry on. Let us complete this session, student. Okay, Aparna. Very good, students. Okay, let us go for your sample paper, student. Let us go for your 10th class CBSE sample paper. And I think that sample paper I have seen that is much easier. That was much easy. Okay. Okay. So let us go for the first question of this sample paper. Huh? There is no question. There should be one question, right? Acha, no MCQ not frame. So maybe the question might be from 2 marks then. Yes, you see 2 marks. Do the first one, student. 21A you do. 21A. The AP has 60 terms. Find the sum of last 10 terms. Sum of last 10 terms. Now you have some first term. So you try to do it in your own way. I'll try to write in my way. Total is 60. He's asking sum of last 10. I don't have formula for sum of last 10. I have formula for sum of first 10. So what will I do? I'll reverse this AP. 12, 10, 8. Total is 60. Now I can use the sum of first 10. So I'll use a black color. S of 10 equal to n by 2 into 2a plus 9 into t. So I want a, I don't have a. I want d, I have d. 8 minus 10 minus 2. Okay, so student, I don't have a, but what will be a? The a will be an here. I just reversed. A will be an, student. That's all. So can't you find an in the first series? You can very well find. Ponnappa, I think you are right, student. A of n, you can find it out. Okay, so what will be A of n? A of n will be 8 plus 59 into D minus 2. Minus 2 or plus 2? Plus 2. So A of n will be 60, 60, 120 means 118, 126. Absolutely, Ponnappa. So A of n is 126. So here A will be 126. Finished. 5 into 2A, 2 into 126 plus 9 into D minus 2. Okay, you do it. So I have done in this way. There are many ways I said. I'll explain another way also. So Harshini, you are using that minus A of minus L formula, student.
Yes.
That is also fine. Anybody, any doubt in this question? Ponnappa, did you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shrugal, Jahnavi.
Sir, could you like tell how you got A and
You see, student, I have reversed it. When I reversed it and I try to apply formula, I want A also, D also, but I don't have A. A means in the original equation it is A of n. A of n we have a direct formula, right? A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 8, n minus 1 is 60 minus 1, 59. D is 10 minus 8, 2. Okay, so student, there is another way also, sum of last term. So what is another way? Can anybody say?
Can we use the formula n by 2 bracket a plus 10?
Oh yes, you can use it. Very good. You can use it. You have first term and last term, right? You can use it. Okay, so she don't want to use this. She's telling, sir, you see, you have first term, you have last term. Why don't you use this common formula? N by 2 into A plus L. You can very well use. Same answer is there. N is nothing but 10 terms 5. A is nothing but 126. L is nothing but last term 8. Direct formula. But for here also, you need to find A. So you need to find N also. Okay, so student, you see, sum of a last term, last 10 terms. Can you use this formula? The total terms are 60. Okay, so he is asking S60 minus S50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. S60 minus S50 is asking. S60, you can use the same formula. N by 2. S50 you can use because it is first 50, it is first 60. You can use this way also. Okay, is asking sum of the last term, add sum of the all 60 terms, subtract the first 50 terms addition. Okay, so can you use this formula n by 2? Yes, it is first 60, it is first 50. You can very well use these formulas also. Aparna, did you understand, student?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, so I don't know answer. What is the answer? Some students. So do you want the answer also? Let me see the answer. Section number B, right? 1170 is the right answer. 1170 is the right answer. Okay, 1170. Okay, find the middle term. Find the middle term. First term you know, nth term you know, middle term is asking student. Middle term.
Sir, why are you not ending the class?
8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Find the middle term. Yes, Megha, how will you do, student? Is Megha here? She left it. Yes, Rujita, how will you do?
Sir, like we can find the number of terms and plus 1 by 2, like added by 1 and 2.
Acha. Yes, right answer. Maya, right answer. Yes, Rujita, right answer. Okay. So, student, to find the middle term, I need to know first how many terms are there. How many terms means n. So, please find n first. Okay. How will you find n? Sir, you have the a of n. So, can't you find n? A of n equal to 230. A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 230. A is 6. N minus 1, you will find D is nothing but 13 minus 6, which is nothing but 7, equal to 230. You will find N. So, N minus 1 into 7 equal to 230 minus 6 will be 224. N minus 1 equal to 224 by 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. N equal to 33. Now, you see what Maya is saying. Sir, after that, use the median formula. Why, sir? Because he's asking middle term. Obviously, you need to use the median formula. Okay. Yeah, what is median formula when n is odd? N plus 1 by 2 is the median formula when n is odd. So, which term I want? I want middle term. Middle term is nothing but the median. When n is odd, median is n plus 1 by 2. That is 33 plus 1 by 2. 34 by 2, 17. So you just need to find A17, which is nothing but A plus 16D. A is nothing but 6 plus 16 into D is nothing but 7. Okay, so how much is the answer, student? 118. Yes, Rujuta, right answer. Ponnappa, 33 plus 1 by 2. Very good, Ponnappa. Harshini, right answer. So the absolutely right answer will be, so 6 of 42, 118. I think the answer is right, student. No, section D. Section B, 118 is the right answer. Achha, so he used another trick, huh? I don't know. Yes, right answer. Yes, Shrugal, what is the doubt, student?
Doubt, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, what is the doubt?
This is the middle term one. Could you explain again?
Middle term, student. Suppose if I give 3, 5, 7. What is the middle term in this arithmetic progression?
5.
5. That is what? He has started, he has ended. So it's a finite series. Finite series means number of terms you can find. If you do it half, you will get the middle term. But n I got something like odd. So in the formula of
Okay.
statistics, median term is nothing but n plus 1 by 2. If n is odd, it is n plus 1 by 2. Okay,
Okay.
you see what is the middle term? Sir, total numbers are 3, 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2. Second term is the middle term. That is what is 5. You said first term, second term is 5. Okay, students. So let's first go for the case-based question. Do we have case-based question? Yeah, case-based question. Yeah, this I have seen this question, students. We have done much complex questions than this. In a class, a teacher asks every student to write an example of AB. 2 boys. So this one, Aryan has written this, and Aryan has written this. Roshan has written this. Now the teacher asks the various students to find the following question. Find the sum of common difference between two progressions. Sum less of the common difference. So if I am taking this common difference as D1, this common difference as D2, he just asked D1 plus D2. Sum of common difference. What is common difference here? Minus 2 minus of minus 5, which is nothing but minus 2 plus 5, 3. D2 minus D1 or 4 minus 1 also you can do 3. Plus what is D2? Here common difference will be 184 minus 187 minus 3 minus 3. 0 is the sum of the common difference. Yes, Archini right, Narendra right, Maya right, Mega right. Okay, sum of common difference is 0. Find the 34th term of progression written by Roshan. So student, you should consider this sequence. Is asking 34 term. A34 is asking, no requirement to do. We have done 1000 times. A34, everything is there here. Okay. Find the sum of first 10 terms. There is no logic. S10, you can use a direct formula, but please ensure that you are doing for Aryan. Aryan means this one. S10. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can do. Have that confidence now. We have done many questions. Which term of progression will have the same value? Yeah, do the third bit B part, student. Do the third bit B part. Only this question is required. Other questions not at all required. Yes, some students already gave the answers also. Very good. Which term of the progressions will be same? That means in this, if at all I write go on right, you will get some value. If at all I go on right, I'll get some value. Okay, so which term will you get that same value? So generally what we say, let us go for the nth term. Let us go for the mth term. Both are there, student. Mth term. Okay, an equal to am. That is what you need to do. Nth term here. So it's not mth term, right? It's also nth term only, right? Nth term only. So here an, you should just relate it, student. You should just make it equal because he's asking which term of the progression. An of this an, you should make it equal. Yes, Narendran got the answer. Very good. Narendran and Fadil answers are matching, student. Very good. A plus n minus 1 into d here. So here you take something like b plus n minus 1 into d2. Okay, so student, he's asking these two things, right? So there are two different APs. Okay, so you can't take A and A. So A is minus 5, n minus 1, D is just now we got it is 3. B is first term here, B 187 plus n minus 1, D2 is a difference 3. That's all, student. One equation, one unknown, you can solve it. Yes, Maya, right answer. So how many students are left? Very good students. So 13 students are left. So these are the serious students who are just, I think Megha is also, she's somewhat not fine today, or else she will be also sitting up to the last.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, D2 is minus 3, right?
D2 is 184. Yes, minus 3. You're absolutely right, student. Okay, students. So now have that confidence. So I am sending some sample paper sheet. If at all you are still volunteer, go ahead. So try to do the last one, last case-based question in my sample paper, which I am forwarding. I felt something like little bit confusion. Remaining case-based questions are also somewhat easy. Only challenge is to write the sequence. If you write the sequence right, everything is a cakewalk. Now just analyze what is asking. Is he asking an? Is he asking s of n? Is he asking n? 3 or 4 terms are only there, student. Okay, yeah, that's all from my side, students.
Sir, I didn't understand. Can you like?
Yes, so this one, student, last one.
Yes, sir, only the last.
Okay, Google, stop it. Okay, so in the last case, he said which term of the progression will have the same value. If you see this fellow is an increasing -5, -2, 1, 4. You see it is increasing. This fellow is decreasing 187, 184, 181. So at some place the both values will be same. Now he is asking which place is that. Okay, which value is that? Okay, so obviously nth term, what we generally take nth term of this, nth term of this will be same value. So that is what I took. A of n equal to B of n. Okay, I'm taking this series nth term as A of n, this series nth term as B of n. And what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the formula? B plus n minus 1 into D2 D1. Why? Because two different series, we have common difference, different. Okay, so now what is A? -5 plus n, I need to find what is D1, difference is 3. What is B? First term 187, n, I need to find what is D2, common difference is -3. That's all, student, you need to solve this.
Okay, sir, yeah, got it.
Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir, I'll solve it.
Okay, thank you, students. 31 is the right answer, Harshini. And others who gave the answer, so 1 second, I have not seen the answer, let me check.
So please go to the previous.
Yes. So the Devansh, I'll go into the total placement section here, right? 33 is the right answer. 33. Solve it, student. You see, same, the one which we have done. Okay, student. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yes.
sir, I had given one middle term question, right, sir?
When?
Sir, I had given in WhatsApp.
Long back or today?
I'd given like, I think yesterday.
If you are given, today I made some video, I would have forwarded to you. So let me check. Where is the question?
Sir, I told it was there in the sample papers.
Acha, Aisa. Fine. Whose middlemost term is 30? Sum of 11 terms of an AP. Find the sum of 11 terms of an AP whose middle term. Is this a full question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just see this. Yes, Harshini.
Sir, just a small doubt, sir.
Hmm.
In LHS and RHS, when we are like, if any term is same, we cancel it, but we can't do that if they're in multiplication or division.
I did not get. Say me again.
So like if we are cancelling same terms on both the sides of LHS and RHS, is there any limitation to it? Like if it is like here n minus 1, 3, n minus 1 into minus 3 is there. So n minus 1 is same, but we don't cancel it because we want that. But in generally, if it is any other number, can we cancel?
No, you see, first of all, it should be free from the other radicals. If minus 5 is not there, 187 not there, I would definitely cancel this.
So like if the numbers are same, even if there's a long addition, we do cancel, right?
Yes.
So here, even if minus 5 and 187 are there, and if n was any other number, can we cancel?
Any other number means you say something like n equal to 50.
Yeah, like sir, here n we need n. So if we cancel it, it won't make sense.
No,
So
no. If at all there is an option, if at all this minus 5 and 187 is not there, it doesn't mean, sir, n minus 1 we need, I will not cancel. You will definitely cancel in this case. You will say no solution.
okay, so we don't cancel because 5 and 187 is there.
Ah, exactly. It should be free from the radicals, other radicals.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, guys.
Thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you.
Purnap, I'll see that question. I am running late of time. Okay, my kid is waiting for me. Huh?
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.